All right. Okay, so your attention, please, folks. Let's take a look at how we would solve a rational equation. Here's a good one. 18 over x squared plus 3x minus 6 over x equals x over x plus 3. Now, you could get common denominators for each of these fractions and then set the numerator as equal. We're going to do basically the same thing, but I think a little easier, cleaner way of doing it. Start by factoring the denominators and numerators if possible. But in this case, what does the first denominator factor into? Olivia? Good. All right, x times the quantity of x plus 3. These are already as factored as they're going to get. So I look at this and I say, look, what are the different factors that I see in denominators? I only see 2 of them. What are they? I see x and x plus 3. Okay? The first fraction has both of them. I can leave that one alone. The second fraction is missing which one? The x plus 3. So I'm going to multiply the second fraction by x plus 3 over itself. Because what am I really multiplying by when I do that? 1. What am I going to multiply the last fraction by so that it has both of those factors in the denominator? X over x. Again, multiplying by 1. Now they will all have the same denominator, won't they? Okay? So this is the method of getting the common denominator. So I'll show it to you. You get x, or 18 over x times x plus 3 minus, I'm going to distribute here. Be careful, it's a negative 6 that I'm distributing, right? So it becomes minus 6x minus 18 over, so I'm really adding this fraction, over the x times x plus 3 equals the x squared over the x times x plus 3. What are my restrictions? X cannot equal 0. X cannot equal negative 3. Sorry. And then if I just set the numerators now, because the denominators are the same, that means that 18 minus 6x, it's a 6, minus 6x minus 18 must equal x squared. Well, the 18s cancel. So I get negative 6x equals x squared. So that's 0 equals x squared plus 6x. That's factorable, x times x plus 6. And therefore, I'll get x equals 0 or x equals negative 6. But which one of those is x not allowed to equal? Remember my restrictions? X is not allowed to equal 0. So this is extraneous. The only valid solution, x equals negative 6. X equals negative 6. We will continue with this tomorrow.